welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and today is the start of maintenance week. As you can see, I'm looking chopped right now. I've been looking chopped for like over a week and I'm ready to get my hair done right now. My hairstylist had availability for 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. but 5 p.m. is way too late and the 7 a.m. is way too early. I'm just getting pre-parts, so I'll be back when I get them done. Okay, we got the hair pre-parted and it low-key eats. Like, I wouldn't mind like maybe fixing the ends up a little more and actually wearing this as a style. I'm really not mad at it. Usually I feel like these give childish, but right now, like, I'm kind of feeling it. I'm doing miracle knots for the second time because I love this hairstyle so much. Last time I went with loose wave hair, and this time I wanted to go curlier, so I got deep wave hair. This hair is from the brand Eon Hair, by the way. I have a discount code right here if you want to check it out. This hair is so freaking soft and bouncy. Like, I literally cannot wait to see how this turns out. I want to look like a freaking mermaid. This type of shit always happens to me. I opened up my crochet tool, brand new out of the box, and it's broken. Like, the latch is not fully there. So that's great. I do have another one, but this one is like rusty and crusty, but I guess we're gonna have to use it. Like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, I guess. And why do these always come in the same shade? Like, there's no other colors? I had a girl comment on a video of me doing this hairstyle and she said that she doesn't think she can do it. And I'm like, girl, I literally only know how to do a ponytail. So if I can do it, you definitely can. This is definitely the hairstyle I'm probably gonna be wearing all spring and summer. I'm so glad that this is trending right now and I'm so glad I gave it a try because it looks so freaking beautiful. It's very, very lightweight. Like, it almost feels like I'm not even wearing any like weave in my hair, which is crazy because usually when I wear braids, my head feels so damn heavy. Like, I feel like the weight of the world is on my shoulders. But with this, it's just been feeling like I'm just wearing my natural hair. I be feeling so ugly without my hair done, and I really think I need to start taking longer breaks in between styles so my hair can have time to actually breathe and reset. But I have not been doing a good job at that. I really need to work harder on that. So after I'm done wearing this style, I need to take a real break. Like, just wear my real hair. Like, I just don't know why that's such a problem for me because I used to be natural for 5 years straight. So like, why is it so hard for me to just wear my natural hair? I really don't know. I think it took me so long last time to finish my hair because I was trying to make it look perfect and I kept redoing braids, but nah, I'm not doing that this time. One thing I love about braids is the fact that you can just get up in the morning and go. Once it's done, it's done. You don't have to worry about straightening it in the morning or curling it or none of that. Like, all I have to do is just keep my scalp healthy and moisturized. I love how much time I save when I wear braids. Not having to worry about my hair is just amazing. That's why, like, if I could wear braids every day for the rest of my life, I would, but I like to switch it up way too much, which is exactly why I would never do any dreadlocks or any type of locks because I just don't want to be tied down to one hairstyle. Like, I get that you can style it, but in my head, that's just one hairstyle. Locks are very beautiful though. I low-key might need some faux locks for my next hairstyle. Let me know in the comments if you like faux locks. I had faux locks like 3 years ago and I had a really bad experience because my hairstylist did not know what they were doing. So when I took down the style, my hair was falling out like crazy. I also did them myself before and the hair kept falling out. So I don't know, that was 3 years ago though, so maybe I need to run it back. It's already almost 1 a.m. and I'm not even like halfway done with my hair yet. So it looks like I'm gonna have to finish the rest tomorrow and I'm so upset about that because I really wanted to finish like the same day that I got my hair done by my stylist. I feel like a freaking poodle right now and I cannot wait to finish this hair. So I'll see you tomorrow. The hair is done and I don't know if I'm completely in love with it, but I can say it's really cute. I think it's gonna take a little time to grow on me, but while we talk about how I feel about the hair, let's do my baby hairs. I'm using this edge control. I haven't done my makeup yet, and that might be why I don't like the hair yet. Like, the curls are definitely eating. Like, I love the curls. I just feel like for this hairstyle, I would like some looser curls. The last time I did this hairstyle, I was obsessed. I don't know if I like this hairstyle with super curly hair. It just doesn't eat the same. Like, it was giving like mermaid with the looser curls, and now it's just kind of giving that I'm on like a vacation in Jamaica. I would love to be somewhere in Jamaica right now, but that's not where I'm at. So I feel like it's just not the vibe, you know? Let me know in the comments if you know what I mean, because I hope I'm making sense. I have absolutely no brows, so we need to dye them. But first, I need to pluck and shape them. To dye my brows, I use Just for Men beard dye. It's so easy to use. All you have to do is mix equal parts of the color base and the color developer, and then boom, you have bomb brows for like almost a week. I let it sit for like 3 to 4 minutes in the front of my brows, and then I immediately wipe it off so I can get a more natural look. I feel like once you do too much in the front of your brows, it starts to look like you really just drew them on, and I don't like that. I always need everything to give I woke up like this, and if it doesn't give that, I don't want it. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, so it's time to take it off. You cannot judge how it looks on the first day. It does not ever look that good. It usually looks the best on the like second or third day. There's always one brow that just doesn't look as good, so I do end up going in with like a little more. So I think I'm gonna do that on this side. This side looks fuller than the other side, but I guess my brows are just cousins and not sisters. Okay, I think I fixed it. They're a lot more even now. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. I have these lashes from the brand Belvoir. I've been looking for a good lash cluster brand for a minute, and this is the one. The lashes are so fluffy and natural, and that's the exact style that I've been looking for, and this brand literally perfected that style. I really need a lash tape because my eyes are so freaking hooded. My toes always look atrocious in the winter, but in the spring and summer, I do not come to play because I want to wear my flip-flops and my sandals without looking crusty and dusty. So let's do these toes. Now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. Ain't the way they painted. I love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just let them talk, but it bothers me. It ain't love they see. But it ain't none to discuss, cause it is to me. And so what? I tell you, tell me a couple times. Tell me, was it too young? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? A couple times. Tell me, was it too young? Tell me, is it a crime to fall? Is it a crime? Was it a crime? Cause it's not this child. I've been wearing press-ons for 3 years and I've been loving it. I love how easy, affordable, and convenient they are. I love the fact that I don't have to wait for anybody to do my nails. I don't have to worry about anybody messing up my nails. And I'm a pretty basic chick. I like ombres and French tips, and I really don't think you should be spending $80 on something that simple. So let's save $80.
Holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just me, yeah. Wait, I'm really low, will you still cover for me?
For the skincare, we're doing a very simple 3-step routine. When you have a face mask like this one, this has 25 potent ingredients. You really don't need to do too much, so we're just gonna go in with 3 steps. For the first step, I'm going in with my La Roche-Posay cleanser. This is made with ceramides and niacinamide, so this will keep your skin looking even, smooth, and refreshed. For the next step, you can go in with a toner or essence. I'm going in with a essence. This is gonna help the ingredients from the face mask really penetrate into the skin. For the last step, I'm going in with this Peach and Lily Collagen Face Mask. It claims to visibly lift, refine, plump, calm, hydrate, and smooth in just one application. So I guess we'll be putting that to the test today. If you have a big forehead, this is a really good mask for you because this gives so much space for a forehead. I don't usually sleep in face mask, but I want to show you the full result, so I'll see you in the morning. It is the next morning. As you can see, it's completely dry and I can barely move my mouth. So let's get this off. I'm definitely gonna be doing this like every week because this is insane. Maintenance is a lot of work, but it is worth it in the end because you'll feel so much better about yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.